Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, guys. And if you need to find the relays for the ignition switch, stay with us. We'll explain where they're located. You may have up to 4 or 5 relays depending on which version you have. And for instance, the police version of Dodge Challenger may even have more, and we'll talk about that as we go. But in most cases you have 2 relays, and we'll talk which one you need to check. We will explain how to test the relays, and if your ignition switch still does not work, we will talk about that as we go. So all that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On Dodge Challenger we'll have even more. We'll be taking completely apart engines, transmission. We'll be fixing almost anything, guys. And if you have any questions or you want to see a specific video, just drop a comment below. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. If you need to buy any parts for your Dodge, fuses, relays for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can save a ton of money. What we have here specifically, 2018 Dodge Challenger. We'll go ahead, open the hood right there. Perfect. Now let's explain, guys. Okay, that's the main fuse box that we have here. You squish on each side these 2 notches like that and pull it out. Now right here, that layout here corresponds to what we have, guys, practically on, you can see here to what we have right there. So which relays you need to check for ignition switch now? Could be multiple ones, so let's talk about that now. Some may have it, some may not, depending on which version of Dodge Challenger you have as well. But one of the relays will be that 3rd relay that's missing right here. Okay, you may have it or you may not, depending again on the version of Dodge Challenger, that here. If you want to see how to test the relay, guys, it's very easy. We'll put a link to a video that will teach you how to do that. Check it out, and it can save you quite a bit of headache and money as well. Second relay that you need to check, okay, will be relay number 29. This relay here, 59, excuse me. That relay needs to be checked as well. That's for the ignition switch too. Now, the police version will have 2 more relays, and there will be one here and one over there. So consider checking these 2 if you have them. The police version will have these 3. Regular version will have this one here, and you may have one more in the trunk. So let me go ahead, okay, and show you which one it is. Let's go ahead, open the trunk. Perfect. And here, guys, okay, we need to be careful. Under the cover here you have one more fuse box. I'm going to go ahead, open it, and on this side, if you look at it, okay, relay number 1 will be, guys, okay, that relay right here. You need to check that relay 2. That's for ignition switch as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.